beekeeper.
Wow, the retired beekeeper. He's come back for another jam-packed bee remove. Whoa. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. How far down?
Huh?
So, what do we say to the audience who think you're retired? Any last words?
I've been here. I've been doing jobs because I haven't been getting paid.
So you're getting a taste of your own medicine. Rashid, welcome, welcome. How many times you got stung today?
Yeah, I think 7.
7.
Just 7.
That's too little.
Yeah,
This
just
guy, you know how
52.
much times he got stung? 50.
52.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
you got stung?
Yes,
How many?
3.
Oh, okay. Now we need to go for 10 though, no?
Okay.
Just pull it apart here. And the one behind it? Or is that one piece? It's actually a nice piece of comb.